Did you know that managing risks in Excel is also a risk? Yes, it is a risk. You're exposed to manual errors. However, I have very good news for you. You don't need to struggle with thousands of rows, columns, and Excel formulas anymore. In fact, you can now manage your risks for free, simply and indefinitely, with the new Pirani Free Plan. Hi, I'm Josh from the Pirani team, and in this episode, I'll show you how to access the Pirani Free Plan and all the features you can enjoy in this plan. 1. Create your account and organization. Create your account easily with the link I left you in the description. Do you already have an account? If so, you can log into Pirani again with the same data and indicate that you want the free plan. Now that you have your account, choose one of the 4 management systems we have in Pirani: ORM, ISMS, AML, and compliance. Then enter some basic information about your organization so we can provide you with a specialized experience according to your industry. With just these steps, you will be able to have 5 users, 200 records, 2 gigabytes of storage. 2. Create the context of your organization. Create different roles in your organization that can create, edit, or delete information in the software. You will also be able to create groups of responsible people to limit access to the information. After creating the roles, you will be able to invite your team to join your organization according to the role you've assigned them. This can be done by clicking on the plus icon on the top bar or by going to the users option in the Manage Organization section. 3. Create a process structure. With this plan, you will have the processes section, which will allow you to register those key processes of your company, assign them type and category, describe in detail what they consist of, and designate the person in charge. If you have chosen the management system, AML, ISMS, or compliance, before moving on to the risk creation, you must complete the context of the organization with the risk factors of each management system. AML, Anti-Money Laundering Risk Management. You can create the profile of your customers and counterparties in the Risk Factors section. ISMS, Information Security Risk Management. You can register your information assets and indicate the criticality and type of asset. Compliance. You can add any type of internal or external regulation that affects the organization. 4. Register, evaluate, and mitigate risks. Identify the risks to which your company is exposed through the suggestion by AI. Register your risks, classify them by their impact and frequency, and designate a risk manager. Record the controls you consider necessary to prevent, detect, or correct risks to which your company is exposed. Qualify them through design, execution, and robustness. Associate them with risks and assign those responsible for supervising the control. Associate risks to processes, risk factors, or controls, and assign those responsible for monitoring the register. 5. Monitor your risk management. Among the special features of this plan, you will be able to have a heat map of your risks, where you will be able to visualize the risks in color quadrants: green, yellow, orange, and red, according to frequency and impact. You will also be able to know the inherent and residual risks and filter the report according to the date of creation and level of criticality of the risk. So, are you already managing risks in software like Pirani? If not, once again, in the description, I'll leave you the link to try our free plan. I hope this video is of great help for your first steps in Pirani. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave us your comments. And if you liked the video, remember to like it, activate the little bell, and subscribe to our channel. And well, that's all for now. Remember to make risk management a culture in your organization. See you in the next video.